Let us start a topic, bus transfer, which means transfer of data between two abstract devices called as the source and the destination. There are two types of bus transfers, the strobe method and the handshaking method. First, we will discuss strobe method. Strobe method is divided into two types, source initiated transfer, destination initiated transfer. Their name because of the type of the data transfer they perform. First, we will discuss source initiated transfer. In source initiated transfer, there are two units, source unit and the destination unit. The source unit is the transmitter of data and the destination unit is the recipient of the data. The data bus is running from the source unit to the destination unit. Now, here is a signal which is called as a strobe signal, whose direction is from the source unit to the destination unit. And since the direction of this signal is from the source unit to the destination unit, and hence its name source initiated transfer, because in this type of mechanism the source will initiate the transfer. Source will signal the destination unit that I have some data on the data bus for you, read it. We will discuss it with a timing diagram now. Here is a data and here is the strobe signal. At time t1, the source unit puts data on the data bus. At time t2, after time t1, it will give a settle time. Delta t will be the settle time, and at time t2, after putting data on the data bus, it will enable the strobe signal. When the strobe signal is enabled, it will be kept enabled till T3 time. This strobe signal is received by the destination unit. The destination unit, on sensing the strobe signal, knows that there is a data on the data bus which is given by the source unit. It reads the data. At time T3, the source unit will disable the strobe signal. After this time, the destination unit will not read the data, should not read the data. So, after delta t time, that is after T3, for some delta t time, at time T4, the source unit will invalidate the data. So, the delta t time spent between T3 and T4 is called as the invalidation time. At this time, the data should not be read. The data is read between T2 and T3.